Mabuhay and magandang buhay everyone. I am Georgia May and I'll be your tour guide for today's virtual adventure. And I warmly welcome you, my dear tourists, to our virtual journey through the historic and coastal town of Mariveles, Bataan. Known as the Southern Gateway of Bataan Peninsula, Mariveles is a town where history, nature, and adventure come together. From solemn monuments to dramatic cliffs and hidden beaches, Mariveles offers a rich tapestry of experiences that reflect both the resilience and beauty of the Filipino spirit. Before we explore its remarkable sights, let's take a quick look at where we are on the map. Mariveles is located about 160 kilometers southwest of Manila. Travel time is roughly 3 to 4 hours by private vehicle and 5 to 6 hours by public transport. It is bordered by Pampanga and Zambales to the north, Manila Bay to the east, and the West Philippine Sea to the west. As you can see on Google Earth, Mariveles sits at the tip of Bataan, offering panoramic sea views and rugged terrain that make it haven for both history and nature lovers. Historically, Mariveles was once known as Camaya, a vital resupply point for Spanish galleons. It was officially founded in 1754 by Franciscan friars. The name Mariveles is believed to come from either maraming dilis, referring to the abundance of anchovies, or the romantic legend of Maria Velez, a Spanish nun whose love story echoes through the hills. Today, Mariveles is a thriving town known for its freeport area of Bataan, eco-adventures, and heritage sites. Now that we've gotten a glimpse of its location and charm, let's begin our virtual tour with 3 unforgettable destinations: the Kilometer Zero marker of that march, Five Fingers Cove, and the Lucky Beach. Our first stop is the Kilometer Zero marker. The journey begins at the Kilometer Zero marker located near the Mariveles Municipal Hall. This solemn monument marks the official starting point of Bataan Death March, a tragic chapter in World War II history. In 1942, thousands of Filipino and American soldiers were forced to march over 100 kilometers under brutal conditions. This marker stands as a tribute to their courage and sacrifice. We can observe the surrounding of this historic site, simple yet powerful, reminding us of the resilience that defines Mariveles. It is not just a monument, it is a symbol of national pride and remembrance. Our second stop is the Five Fingers Cove. From the town center, we head south to the rugged coastline of Five Fingers Cove, named for its aerial resemblance to a hand reaching into the sea. This series of 5 scenic inlets offers cliff diving, snorkeling, hiking, and breathtaking views. The Thumb, or the Continuous Point, a short trek leads to this dramatic cliff with sweeping ocean views. It is a favorite for photo ops and rock climbing. The Index, or the Talaga Point, known for calm waters and gentle waves. Talaga is ideal for swimming and relaxing. The Middle, or the Hornos Point, this cove features rugged rock formations and a raw, untouched vibe. It is great for rustic exploration. The Ring, or the Tinanlacan Cove, offers cliff diving from 10 to 40 feet into clear blue waters. Lastly is the Pinky, or the Nagbintana Arc, a natural rock arc that looks like a window, perfect for snorkeling and scenic shots. final stop is the Lucky Beach, the hidden coastal gem. Just beyond the coves lies Lucky Beach, a secluded paradise accessible by boat or coastal jet. With its powdery white sand, clear waters, and peaceful vibe, Lucky Beach is a favorite among campers and day trippers. We can explore its shoreline, framed by cliffs and forested hills. It is a perfect place to unwind, reflect, and enjoy the gentle rhythm of the sea. No resorts, no crowds, just nature at its finest. As we conclude our virtual tour of Mariveles, we leave with a deeper appreciation of what makes this town so special. From the solemn strength of the Kilometer Zero marker, the wild beauty of Five Fingers Cove, to the peaceful shores of Lucky Beach, Mariveles is a destination that speaks to both heart and soul. Thank you for joining me on this journey. I hope that through this virtual experience, you've seen not only the sights but also the spirit of Mariveles, Bataan, a town that truly embodies the courage, charm, and coastal wonder of the Philippines. Once again, I am Georgia May, your virtual tour guide for today. Maraming salamat and see you on our next adventure.